This is welcome to my YouTube channel, kama da, and if it's the first time in this channel, kindly hit that subscribe button, comment, share, like, and if you're returning subscribee, thank you for always subscribing and returning back into this channel. So on today, I'm so happy. First is because I've never been in a plane, and I'm going to be feeling that awesome experience, and I'm so happy. So leo it's on, I don't mind, nimeka tu yo towel hapo juu. Today is on Thursday, no, on Friday. I'm supposed to travel to Malindi tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm going to naenda Malindi. It's a 2 and back. I just feel so humbled. One is because I've never been into a plane before. Now I'll be in a plane. This one I didn't plan for it, by the besties. Ilikuja but nilikuwa nimejiambia this year lazima nipande ndege. Lakini Mungu ni nani? Aniletanga tu karibu. That's why I always say, yeah, have a dream, put it on paper, go on your knees, pray about it, and work hard on it. Inakujanga tu automatically, and believe in it. You're going to have it, no matter how the dream might be big. And always don't tell your dreams to everyone, because watu wengine, they're just killers of your dreams, and they will kill at all time. Instead ya kupea nguvu, they'll be like, guy, utawezana kweli na hii economy. But anywho's, first, I'm dressed like this. Yeah, I'm going for an ohangla night. But at first, napita kwa bishti yangu nipeleke hizi, so that tomorrow I'll just take a cab from my friend's place to... Is it my friend's place? Can I call him my friend, my babe, my boo? But just wait. As long as you're in this channel, one time you're going to meet that person, that special person, and you shall know whether it's a he, a she, a baby, a boo. Yeah, so naenda. Yeah, pendi sana is your hangla night, but mimi nijikute, I usually love hangla night. So naenda leo Elisha Toto, napeleka hizi, go to that place, then head back at around 2 ndo nitakuwa narudi. Nitakuwa narudi back, kwa sababu the reason why I'm going to that place ni juu at my place kupata Uber inakuanga challenging, na ita take like 10 minutes. Maybe it's because of the road, but in haini nini sana, it doesn't affect me so much. So decided wacha niende na nafa kwa at Ruiru at around 4:30 a.m. and I don't want to miss again. Kama last time I was on a train, they're so specific in minutes, in time. I don't want to run helter-skelter in these things, so I'd rather wait, not them waiting for me or in a hurry. Yeah, I don't want to talk much, just keep locked as we enjoy. Tell me how you enjoyed your weekend. For me, I'm starting up with a hangla night, Malindi back on Saturday, oh my god, and then on Sunday, I guess it will be a resting time, or either I'm going to upload this video, maybe, who knows. Anyway, continue subscribing, liking, share, and comment, and tell me what you love about this channel. Okay, that's my outfit with easy in the black. I usually love black is my color. I don't know, from all time, always black is my color. Let's go and dance. That's it, besties. Let's go and dance and dance and dance and dance and dance. Yeah. Ciao. So besties, it's already 4, as you can see. So I'm headed to Ruiru, where we're meeting up with them. And let's wait and see. I'll keep you updated and showing you everything that happens.
Oh yeah. Wanna meet a chico boy, more music.
this moment, besties, we had already checked in and we were waiting for our departure time, as we were to departure at 7:15 a.m. in Kenyan time. And I was happy about it all because I was seated waiting and I could see the runway over there, and I was like, Mungu, yani mambo yako ni ajabu, and I like it, yani God, thank you for always being faithful to me. And you made it earlier. Nilikuwa nimejiambia maybe I'll treat myself on October on my birthday, but God made it happen on July, and I lack words for that. And basically it was a 1-day thing, a to and back, and hiyo ingine tungerudi from Malindi to JKA at 4:30, and it was a full experience. And oh my God, I just want you to see everything. I won't talk much on it. And if you have any question, besties, you can just ask and comment. I will kindly answer that, besties. Yani, oh my. But I would say Jumbo Jet have one of the best services. Okay, nikilinganisha na yenye nirudi na, it was fly Skylink or what, I don't know, something of the sort. Any ndege zao, you didn't feel that like that thingy, your turbulence iki run, and it's comfortable, and they sell things kwa plane, and the other one haikuwa nayo. So it took around 45 to 1 hour to kufika Malindi, and I was like, Jesus, I'm stepping in. Yani vitu zingine unaoneanga tu kwa movie, and you're like, one time, God, I just want to do this, make it happen for me. And he made it happen, besties. Kitu funny ni even after nimeingia kwa ndege, I didn't feel that ile kushtuka, although it was like, I would say 1%, 1 out of 10. I didn't feel anything much because hata sikupuke, sikufanya anything. The experience was just awesome. Enjoy the video, besties. Continue subscribing, liking, and share it all, besties, for me. Mwah. Love you.
8640 shortly departing for Malindi. Delighted to have you on board. All set up in front here. Those are shortly closing. And I do expect departure in the next couple of minutes. Temperatures of 17 degrees. Mostly cloudy skies this morning. Departure out of the northeasterly facing runway. Return right to our destination. Feet above mid-sea level. And we do anticipate flight time en route to be 55 minutes. Initially just a bit of a bumpy departure as we cut through the clouds, but we should be above them within the first few minutes, and we do expect nice smooth sunny conditions for the rest of the way to Malindi. The flight deck with me, Captain Dylan Mochama, alongside myself, First Officer Mihan Rashid, then with you in the cabin.
Up there, that's what I could see, clouds. It was a bit cloudy kidogo, and then there are some places tungeona vizuri. Guy, even though watu akiwa juu anaonanga chini. Oh my God, like you could see so tiny things, and I was like, au ndivyo watu hupiganga picha kama they want to take a photo of a certain place, wanaionanga vizuri sana. And it was an awesome feeling, and I enjoyed it all. Yes.
Ndani ya kichwa some good brains. Record, baby dance my music. Nishike nikushike, twende wote. Takapokwenda nitakufa na wewe. Nishike nikushike, my baby. 'Cause baby you're my fire, my fire, my fire, my fire. Nikikuona moto fire, my fire, my fire, my fire. Kama ni joto fire, my fire. nikushike, my baby.
Nishike nikushike, twende wote, takapokwenda nitakufa na wewe. Nishike nikushike, my baby. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote, baby. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote.
Fire emoji go bikili wahala. Mapenzi yako yameniwasha moto fire. Fire emoji go bikili wahala. Mapenzi yako yameniwasha moto fire. Things you do to me, baby, let I follow you. Things you say to me, every day I fall for you. Things you do to me, baby, let I follow you. Things you say to me, every day I fall for you. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote, baby. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote. You are my antidote.
You are my antidote.
Finally at Malindi, and it was it. And besties, there is another episode of part 2 of what I did in Malindi, so check out, subscribe, share and comment for part 2. Hope you enjoyed these videos, besties, and I love you. Mwah.